Today, I'm excited to talk about hosting the perfect Christmas house party. With the holiday season just around the corner, it's the perfect time to gather your friends and family for a memorable celebration. First things first, let's talk about decorations. Transform your home into a winter wonderland by adding festive touches like twinkling lights, wreaths, and a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. Don't forget to set the mood with some cozy and warm lighting. Next, let's move on to the food and drinks. Prepare a delicious spread of holiday favorites like roasted turkey, mashed potatoes, and cranberry sauce. For dessert, why not bake some homemade cookies or a festive Yule log? And of course, offer a variety of non-alcoholic beverages like hot chocolate, apple cider, and festive mocktails. To keep your guests entertained, plan some fun activities. Set up a DIY ornament-making station or organize a holiday-themed trivia game. You could even have a Christmas movie marathon with classic films that everyone loves. Now let's talk about music. Create a festive playlist with all the Christmas classics. Lastly, don't forget to capture the memories. That's it for today's video on hosting a Christmas house party. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other suggestions or ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday content.